Yep, it's that time of year here in Victoria. Nothing but rain. So, if you want to play paintball, what are you going to do?
So, if the weather sucks outside and you want to play paintball, I've got a great alternative for you. These are Velcro targets and Velcro balls. Just stick easily. These can fit into the Tippmann TPX. I've tried them out. It works great. You can put these in pretty much any type of paintball gun. Naturally, these are 68 cals. You cannot use these in, say, Kingman Chasers or other caliber type of paintball guns like the .50s. But I would strongly recommend you use a gravity fed hopper rather than an automatic feed or sound activated feed, because those could jam. These balls are kind of squishy, so it will jam up anything that's automatic. I've tried that with the Delta Elite. It did get kind of jammed up in there. But these work great. So I'm going to use this guy. I'm going to use the BT Omega, and I'm going to fire off a couple shots and show you how they stick.